Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying versions and saving essential credentials. This prevents data loss later. Check Roblox and account manager versions, then backup session tokens and 2FA recovery codes. Once done, restart your PC and router to clear transient network errors and temporarily disable VPN or third-party firewalls because they often block authentication. Make sure your account email and phone are correct. These are used for verification. This swift prep stops easy failures before you run the repair steps. Next, clear the account manager cache and cookies so stale tokens can't interfere. You should then reinstall the app, using a repair option if it exists, because corrupted files cause auth errors. Once reinstalled, force a fresh auth flow. Sign out from all devices and revoke active sessions from your Roblox account settings, then sign in again through the manager. This forces new tokens to be issued. Also check system time is correct, since SSL relies on accurate clocks. Finish by confirming 2FA prompts and that email or SMS codes arrive. This proves the chain works. Enable detailed logs in Account Manager, reproduce the failure, and inspect error codes and timestamps to pinpoint the issue. These logs show whether it's network, token, or permission related. If problems persist, reset your Roblox password, relink the account, then repeat the OAuth sign-in. Troubleshooting tip: if errors continue, test on a different network or device to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.